Are you ready for today's story? Wonderful! Today's story is wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. I wonder what that noise is. It's a fire truck! This story is called The Firefighters Thanksgiving by Maribeth Boltz. Thanksgiving Day, this shift's begun. 10 firefighters at Station 1. Lou says,
I can't cook today.
a list is made. They're on their way. A turkey, pumpkin, yeast, potatoes, ice cream, oh yum, yams, and ripe tomatoes. The cart is full. The shopping's through. A call comes in. It's 9:02. Oh, look, they're getting ready really fast to get onto the fire truck and get to the emergency quick. Sooty, smoky, back to the store. They help mop ice cream from the floor. They split the tab, then peel and clean. A call comes in. It's 12:15. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Oh, look how fast the fire trucks are driving. And all that fire, oh my goodness, they need water fast. Look, they're opening up the fire hydrant. They wash the trucks, hang hose to dry, roll out crust for pumpkin pie. Oh, that's my favorite. Pack up gear and fill the tanks. Plan the next big rookie prank. The turkey's frozen. Is it too late? A call comes in. It's 2:08. Oh, look, they're saving that man from his home. It's a good thing they've got lots of water and their protective equipment. They've got their helmets on and their jackets and gloves. They check equipment, fix a tire, record the details of the fire, put potatoes on to boil, refuel the trucks and change the oil, throw out pie crust, start again. A call comes in. It's 4:10. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Pshh. It looks like this is the captain and he's telling the firefighters where to spray the water and where the fire is. Look at all that smoke. It's very important to be safe when you're a firefighter so you don't get hurt when you're saving people. Whoa, that's a big fire. Be careful, firefighters. Don't get too close. It's a good thing they've got shields on their faces to make sure that they stay safe. Lou is hurt. Firefighters worry. To the hospital in a hurry. The meal forgotten. Some pace, some pray. They get the news. He'll be okay. Oh, that's great news. Back at the station, night is falling. Families will soon be calling. The turkey's raw, the potatoes too. No pies, no bread, just thoughts of Lou. They wash the trucks and hose the floor. A call comes in. It's 8:04. Oh, the garage door's open and the fire truck's going. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. They're getting on their jackets, their helmets, they're suiting up again. While they fight fires, a feast is spread. Turkey, stuffing, pies, and bread. A note is on the table, too. From thankful us to helpful you. Happy Thanksgiving! Oh, isn't that wonderful? Look at all of that delicious food. Oh, and there's Lou, feeling better. And they brought some Thanksgiving food to him too at the hospital. What great friends. The end. Thank you so much for reading the story with me. I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye.